Welcome, in front of me I have VIVO V20 and today I will show you how you can install iPhone keyboard on this smartphone. So at the first we have to go for the Play Store and download this application. Green Apple keyboard, let's install. Right now we can open. Click to enable in the settings, tap on the switcher, click OK for 2 times, then just go back and tap to switch input methods. Right now we have to choose English United States keyboard and go and tap to finish. And take a look right now. As you can see, our keyboard has changed and it looks very close to the iOS device. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.